Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to configure a proxy in FileZilla. Start the program and click on Edit at the top. Then choose Settings. In the window that appears, navigate to the Connection section and select Generic Proxy. On the right side of the screen, choose your proxy protocol type. This will activate the fields where you can enter your proxy data. Fill in the host and port fields with the IP and port of your proxy. If you are using a personal proxy, enter the username and password in the designated fields. Once all the information is entered, click OK. You're all set. The program will now operate using the proxy settings you've specified. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, ProxySale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.